Good morning and welcome to the Defence and Aerospace Report from Vargo Muradian. I'm Jeremy Greaves from Airbus in the UK, and I'm the Vice President of Corporate Affairs and Strategy. And what you see here is our incredible new bird of prey concept plane that Airbus has developed with support from the British government and the Great Campaign, the Aerospace Technology Institute, the IET and the Royal Aeronautical Society, as well as the Air League. Why have we done this? Because this is something that we want to do to inspire the next generation of engineers to join our wonderful aerospace business. It incorporates features that you would see on a bird of prey. The split wingtips gives you the attitude control that takes the place of ailerons and flaps. It has no vertical tail. So you cut down on the drag and you've got the split tail there for fine control as well. You'll note the contra-rotating propellers. Those will be hybrid electric, and this will give it a rough fuel consumption of between 30 to 50% less than the current generation of airliners. This has been a great project to inspire engineering in Britain. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. We're having a great time at Riyadh, and I urge you to join DAR with Vargo at every opportunity.